In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove dependency in ClickUp. If you've ever felt stuck trying to manage relationships between tasks in ClickUp, you're not alone. Adjusting dependencies is often essential for maintaining the flow of your projects and ensuring that everything stays on track. Thankfully, removing a dependency in ClickUp is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to visit clickup.com and log into your ClickUp account. If you're unfamiliar with where to start, just type that URL into your browser. Once you've accessed the site, enter your credentials to get into your account. A quick tip: if you struggle to keep track of your login details, consider using a password manager. This will save you time and hassle when accessing your workspace. Next, after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by your ClickUp dashboard. Here, navigate to the Spaces section, which you can usually find on the left-hand side panel. It's crucial to choose the right workspace, since that's where you'd be adjusting your task dependencies. Click on the workspace you're currently working on. By doing so, you're opening the project area where all related tasks reside. Now, it's time to locate the task from which you want to remove a dependency. Scroll through your task lists or use the search function for efficiency. Once you've found the task in question, look for the three dots icon, usually located at the right side of the taskbar. Give it a click. This icon is your gateway to accessing more detailed task options and settings, providing you with several actions you can take on that task. In the menu that appears, search for the option labeled Dependencies. Select it, and you'll be led to the Dependency Management section of the task. This segment is where you'll find a list of all tasks that are currently dependent on or have dependencies within this particular task. It's a neat little overview of your task's current ties, or dependencies. Finally, to remove a dependency, simply find the task you want to unlink from. Once located, you'll notice an X icon appearing near it. Click on this icon to remove the dependency. And just like that, by clicking X, you're severing the current link between these tasks. This action won't delete any tasks, but merely breaks the dependency chain, thus bringing more flexibility to your workflow. By following these steps, you can easily manage and adjust your task dependencies in ClickUp, allowing your projects to run more smoothly and without unnecessary obstacles. I hope this guide helps you to regain control over your task management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more ClickUp tips.